How to make money on the fall of Bitcoin without risk. Hello everyone. Today I will tell you my strategy for making money on Bitcoin absolutely without risk and technical analysis. A very simple way that will suit even a beginner. But I'll start with two main mistakes newbies make. We have all heard about hamsters on the stock exchange, and we imagine that these are alarmists who sell out of fear when the rate falls and buy out of euphoria when the rate reaches its maximum. But this is not always the case. A common problem can be the right desire to buy Bitcoin cheaper when the rate falls, but after selling it, the market turns and goes up. After that, just so as not to be left out of the game, Bitcoin is bought with loss fixation and the market turns around again. Don't do that. Learn to wait. Sometimes doing nothing will bring you more profit than a dozen trades. And now earnings are without risk and loss. If you want to keep your savings in Bitcoin but also want to make money, follow this instruction. If the rate falls, you can earn short, but this is just as risky as a long trade. Therefore, first, determine the lowest possible Bitcoin rate. Bitcoin has never dropped below its previous all-time high, and there is also a strong support level below which there is little chance of breaking. Or set the maximum price minus 30%. On the calculator of the exchange, calculate how much leverage you can take so that the liquidation would be with a margin below the minimum possible Bitcoin price. And if the rate falls, buy Bitcoin in parts from a smaller amount to a larger one. As a result, when the price reaches its bottom and goes up above your average purchase price, also start selling Bitcoin in parts. And when the price returns to the level before the fall, you will have a good profit. At the same time, you did not risk your savings in Bitcoin. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss a new useful video. See you on the channel.